Today we have been talking about how we can understand our characters better by thinking about what they do, say, think, and feel. Here's your assignment for today. You're going to see a chart like this. You will choose one fiction book to read, and as you read, you're going to notice and jot down what the main character in the book you choose does, says, thinks, and feels. Today I read Wemberly Worried. I already jotted down a few things that my character does, what she says or thinks, and how she feels during the story. For example, I know that one of Wemberly's actions is to worry about everything. So here I wrote, Wemberly worries about everything. I also remembered another action of Wemberly's, something that she likes to do. I know that when she feels worried, Wemberly likes to rub Petal's ears. Petal is her doll. So I wrote in that do or actions column that Wemberly rubs Petal's ears. These are two things that my character does. I also remembered in the say and think column that Wemberly thinks no one will come to her birthday party. I remember that part of the story where she was thinking no one would come. But I also remember in the very beginning of the story, Wemberly was also thinking some other things too. She also was thinking that the big tree might fall on her house. Here's that part right here. I remember Wemberly looking up at the tree and thinking, what if it falls on our house? So I added that to my think column. Wemberly thinks the tree will fall on her house. Those are two things that Wemberly thinks in the story. I also needed to think about how Wemberly was feeling at different parts of the story. Well, I remember that Wemberly was feeling scared of the playground, and I also remember Wemberly was feeling very scared and nervous about her first day of school. All of these things that she was worried about on this page and here on this page told me that Wemberly was feeling very nervous to go to school for the first time. I also remembered by the end of the story, Wemberly meets a new friend, Jewel. She and Jewel become friends on the very first day. And so I noticed that Wemberly feels happy to meet Jewel. So she had a lot of different feelings in this story. She felt scared, she felt nervous, and she felt happy at different times in the story. Your job for today is to choose one fiction book that you want to read and to fill out this chart for the main character in that story. See you later and have fun, first graders.